Happy and blessed April and Easter week to all of you around the world, wherever you watch this broadcast, whether live or then later as a recorded broadcast. It's time at long last for me to give you a global update on the progress of the COVID-19 pandemic, but also on the progress of the vaccination programs around the world. According to the worldometers.info website, which I've been consulting for many times during the last several months, 129,471,257 people have been diagnosed with this disease. Of them, 2,828,154 have died so far, while 104,424,134 people have recovered, according to this website. Of course, neither this website nor any other ones maintained by us imperfect human beings is perfect, a perfectly accurate source of information. So I'll scroll down the website and block some ads here. Unnecessary ads. Okay. So the United States is still in the lead on this grim list of countries with over 31.1 million human cases. Of them, over 565,000 have died. Over 23.6 million have recovered. Over 6.9 million people in the United States are reported as being in the active stage of COVID-19, and of them, over 8,700 are in a critical condition. In Brazil, there are over 12.7 million human cases. Of them, over 321,000 have passed away. Over 11.1 million have recovered. Over 1.2 million have COVID currently. In India, over 12.2 million people have contracted this disease. Over 162,000 of them have died. Over 11.4 million have recovered. Over 585,000 people in India have this disease currently. In France, over 4.6 million people have contracted this disease. Of them, over 95,000 people have died. Over 294,000 people have recovered. Over 4.2 million people have this disease. In Russia, over 4.5 million people have contracted this disease. Over 98,000 of them have died. Over 4.1 million of them have recovered. Over 280,000 people have this disease. In Britain, over 4.3 million people have contracted this disease. Over 126,000 of them have died. Over 3.8 million of them have recovered. Over 371,000 people have this disease currently there. In Italy, over 3.5 million people have contracted this disease. Over 109,000 of them have died. Over 2.9 million of them have recovered. Over 562,000 people are fighting this disease currently. In Turkey, over 3.3 million people have contracted this disease. Of them, over 31,000 have died. Over 3 million have recovered. Over 271,000 people have currently this disease. In Spain, over 3.2 million people have contracted this disease. Over 75,000 of them have died. Over 3 million of them have recovered. over 166,000 have this disease. In Germany, over 2.8 million people have contracted this disease. Over 77,000 of them have died. Over 2.5 million have recovered. Over 218,000 people have this disease. Also in Colombia, Argentina, Poland, and Mexico, over 2 million human cases have been discovered, or at least have entered this statistical website. And between 1 and 2 million cases are currently, human cases are currently Iran, the Ukraine, Peru, South Africa, the Czech Republic, Indonesia, and the Netherlands. Between 900,000 and 1 million human cases are currently Chile, Canada, and Romania. Between 800,000 and 900,000 human cases are currently Belgium, Iraq, Israel, Portugal, and Sweden. Between 700,000 and 800,000 cases is currently the Philippines. Between 600,000 and 700,000 cases are currently Pakistan, Hungary, Jordan, Bangladesh, Switzerland, and Serbia. Austria is between 500,000 and 600,000 human cases. Morocco, Japan, Lebanon, and the United Arab Emirates are between 400,000 and 500,000 human cases. Yes, United Arab Emirates also. Between 300,000 and 400,000 human cases are currently Saudi Arabia, Slovakia, Panama, Malaysia, Bulgaria, Ecuador, and Belarus, or White Russia. Between 200,000 and 300,000 human cases are currently Georgia, Nepal, Bolivia, Croatia, Greece, Azerbaijan, Tunisia, the Dominican Republic, Kazakhstan, Palestine, Ireland, Kuwait, Denmark, Moldova, Costa Rica, Lithuania, Slovenia, Paraguay, Ethiopia, and Egypt. Between 100,000 and 200,000 human cases are currently Guatemala, Armenia, Honduras, Qatar, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Nigeria, Venezuela, Oman, Libya, Bahrain, Myanmar or Burma, Kenya, North Macedonia, Albania, Algeria, Estonia, Uruguay, South Korea, Latvia, and China, including Hong Kong. Between 50,000 and 100,000 human cases are currently Norway, Sri Lanka, Montenegro, Ghana, Kyrgyzstan, Zambia, Uzbekistan, Finland, Cuba, Mozambique, El Salvador, Luxembourg, Singapore, Afghanistan. Between 25,000 and 50,000 human cases are currently, according to this statistical website, the following countries: Cameroon, Cyprus, Namibia, Ivory Coast, Uganda, Botswana, Jamaica, Senegal, Zimbabwe, Malawi, Sudan, Australia, Malta, Thailand, Democratic Republic of the Congo. Between 12,000 and 25,000 human cases of COVID are currently, according to this website, Madagascar, Maldives, Angola, Rwanda, Guinea, Gabon, Syria, Mauritania, Cape Verde, Eswatini or Swaziland, Tajikistan, Haiti, and Burkina Faso. Between 6,250 and 12,500 human cases are currently, according to this website, Belize, Andorra, Somalia, Lesotho, Guyana, Togo, South Sudan, Mali, Congo, Suriname, Bahamas, Mongolia, Trinidad and Tobago, Djibouti, Benin, Equatorial Guinea, Nicaragua. Then between 3,125 and 6,250 human cases of COVID are currently Iceland, Papua New Guinea, Gambia, Central African Republic, Niger, San Marino, Chad, Yemen, Saint Lucia, Seychelles, Sierra Leone, Comoros, Barbados, Guinea-Bissau, and Eritrea. One country's COVID statistics are clearly not reliable, and that is Tanzania. Already for about 1 year, it has claimed to have had only 509 cases of COVID and 21 deaths, but this clearly is not true. Even the Tanzanian president passed away, possibly due to COVID, recently, in the second half of March. But leaving aside Tanzania, whose COVID statistics clearly are not reliable, the following countries are still among the lucky ones, or the more blessed ones, having had under 100 recorded deaths from this disease. Singapore, 30. Thailand, 94. Maldives, 67. Tajikistan, 90. Mongolia, 8. Djibouti, 70. Benin, 90. Iceland, 29. Papua New Guinea, 60. Central African Republic, 67. San Marino, 84. Saint Lucia, 60. Seychelles, 22. Sierra Leone, 79. Barbados, 42. Guinea-Bissau, 63. Eritrea, 10. Burundi, 6. Liechtenstein, 56. Vietnam, 35. New Zealand, 26. Cambodia, 11. Monaco, 28. Sao Tome and Principe, 34. Liberia, 85. St. Vincent and the Grenadines, 10. Antigua and Barbuda, 28. Taiwan, 10. Mauritius, 12. Bhutan, 1. East Timor, none. Brunei, 3. Dominica, none. Grenada, 1. Fiji, 2. Laos, St. Kitts and Nevis, the Vatican City, none. Solomon Islands, none. Western Sahara, 1. And then Marshall Islands, Samoa, Vanuatu, and Micronesia, none. We'll keep monitoring the situation, giving these updates from time to time, and of course we must all pray for health and safety, and that the God Almighty in His mercy would soon start to weaken this pandemic and then soon eliminate it altogether. Stay safe and blessed, and have a wonderful, blessed, and happy and uplifting Easter 2021.